Hello guys, so in this video tutorial we are going to learn how you can delete your Canva account. So let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay, just log in with your Canva account, and here at come to the home page, and here go to the your profile icon, and just go to the settings. Under the setting we need to go in here in login. Okay, in the login we can see the options called that delete account. Here in very bottom, just click on delete, and here you can see there is a information you need to read. After selecting delete account, you have 14 days to come back or log back and restore it before it permanently deletes. Okay, so once you proceed with delete, you have the 14 days grace period that you can come back and relog in with your delete your account Canva account. But if you don't come back, then it will be deleted permanently. Okay, so here they send the your verification code on your registered account number or email ID. Just go there and find your that code. You have to just enter that code here and just click on delete account. Then your Canva account will be processed for deletion, and you have 14 days. You can come back and log in it, or you will lose your all data and you can't come back after 14 days. Okay, so that is process. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.